Hi guys, I am Christine Connor, the owner of Amelie Scott Designs, and I'm so excited to be coming back to the Mole Queen Event Center. It is an amazing facility, and if you've never been to it, you definitely want to check this place out. This time I'm teaching 4 classes, and I'm here to let you know that there are a few spots left in one of the Edge-to-Edge core classes. The other 3 are completely booked. In this class that still has seats available, you will learn edge-to-edge quilting on your embroidery machine. It's my original and easy method which lets you get quilting results like a long arm but on your embroidery machine. Now, not only will you learn the technique, but you're also going to walk away with this beautiful quilted jalapeno table runner. I designed this one especially for the Southwest and Arizona. Wouldn't some chips and salsa look just great on this runner? I also made it in some very bright colors as well, because I'm a bright person. So here you can see another fabric with the beautiful jalapeno salsa edge-to-edge quilting design. So hey, if you are in Tempe, Arizona and want to come, give the Mole Queen Event Center a call at 480-963-4004. That's 480-963-4004. I feel like I'm doing an infomercial here. I kid you not, there are only a few spots left, so if you want to come, call sooner rather than later. I'd hate for you to miss out. You know, Darren, the owner of Mole Queen Event Center, even has the top-of-the-line embroidery machines that you can use, and he has a magnetic hoop already waiting for your use, so you don't need to lug your machine down. Isn't that nice? And don't worry about not knowing how to use that machine, because I know that machine very, very well, and I will guide you through the process as well. Also, Mark, my husband and geeky guy, will also be there to help. He is a great help in the classroom. It's going to be a great class. I really hope to see you there.